Hot Sauce Day, National Hot Sauce Day. So in honor of that, I decided I'm gonna try out a new hot sauce. So right now I'm about to eat this little fried rice situation with some shrimp. I got my Old Faithful. This is my favorite hot sauce ever. Red Hot. If you don't know, now you know. But I decided to try this out. I don't know if you guys ever heard of this. Just, it is black truffle infused. Like I love truffle, so I'm hoping I like it. I like the top. The smell is strong. It's so we're just doing a little taste. We're just doing a little taste test. That's all we're gonna do. So we're just gonna take a little rice, a little shrimp. I'm gonna put a little bit on top. Is it watery? Oh, it's thick. It's thick. It's thick. Only a little bit. Mm. I can't tell if I like it or not. I need to put more. I'm not even showing y'all. Ooh, ooh. It's the aftertaste. This has a lot of taste. Mmm. I didn't even shake it. This has to shake it well. Let's give it a shake. Okay. This is the third try. It ain't better than my Red Hot. But let's pour some. Let's put a lot. This time I put a lot. That's a lot for me just trying it out. It's kind of sweet, more than spicy. This is definitely chili. I feel like this would be really good with some dumplings. So, conclusion. This is really good, but it's an acquired taste. It has a lot of. It's definitely infused with that truffle. I feel like this would be good on fries. This would be good with like. It's not very hot, like, and it says that is medium heat. So yeah, pizza. Um, you could put this. I feel like a lot of like pasta. Like if you put in this on top of like some ramen, this would be really good with some ramen. Yeah, I could see that this is an acquired taste for sure, but it's definitely good. Is it gonna outdo this? They're different. This is cayenne pepper. This is chili. This is really good, but I would probably like this more with some Chinese food or dumplings, something. Yeah, egg rolls, all that. But it's really good. Happy National Hot Sauce Day.